Assalamualaikum, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about how to choose a whole house color scheme. Selecting the right color palette for your home can be a daunting task, but with a few helpful tips, you will be able to create a cohesive and harmonious look throughout your entire house. So let's get started. The first step in choosing a whole house color scheme is to consider the overall style and mood you want to achieve. Are you aiming for a modern, minimalist look, or do you prefer a more traditional or eclectic style? Understanding the style of your home will help guide your color choices. Take a look at the existing elements in your home, such as flooring, cabinets, and furniture. Consider their colors and finishes, as these will influence your color scheme. Decide whether you want your color palette to complement or contrast with these existing elements. Next, think about your personal color preferences. Do you lean towards warm or cool tones? Do you prefer bold and vibrant colors, or are you more drawn to soft and muted shades? Identifying your color preferences will help you narrow down your options and create a color scheme that resonates with you. When selecting a whole house color scheme, it's a good idea to start with neutrals. Neutrals serve as a base for your color palette and provide a versatile backdrop for other colors. Consider using neutral shades like whites, grays, or beiges for walls and larger surfaces. To tie the different spaces in your home together, choose a unifying color that will appear in multiple rooms. This color could be a subtle hue that complements your neutrals or a slightly bolder shade that adds visual interest. Selecting a unifying color will create a cohesive flow throughout your house. A color wheel can be a valuable tool in choosing a whole house color scheme. It helps you understand color relationships and create harmonious combinations. You can choose colors that are adjacent on the color wheel for a more monochromatic scheme, or opt for complementary colors for a bold and contrasting look. Think about the purpose and mood of each room when selecting colors. Bedrooms may benefit from calming and soothing colors, while dining areas could embrace warmer tones to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Tailoring the colors to each room's function will enhance the overall ambience of your home. Before committing to a whole house color scheme, it's important to test the colors in your space. Paint sample swatches on the walls and observe how they look under different lighting conditions throughout the day. This will give you a better idea of how the colors will interact with your home's natural light. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to choose a whole house color scheme. By considering the overall style, assessing your existing elements, determining your color preferences, starting with neutrals, choosing the unifying color, using a color wheel, considering the room's purpose and mood, and testing the colors, you will be able to create a cohesive and visually appealing color scheme throughout your home. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more home decor tips and inspiration. See you in the next video.